Got to the AMC in Westminster and went and saw Greta. A lot of disturbing movie. Very classic tale of abductor, psychopath, torture. Anyways, I give it about a 4.5 stars, I think, out of 5. It was a good movie. I got a free drink there with the A-list. Well, $5 reward, so the drink cost me $8. But now I'm out of the movie. Still just light flurry, not anything spectacular. I was looking at DoorDash. At first it showed no bonuses. I'm like, what? During lunch hour? And now it's showing like an extra $3.50. But it's not until, it's only till 1. It's like 10 minutes from now. So we'll see what happens at 1. But I'm going to go to the AT&T store and try to fix my crack in the phone. Supposedly my insurance for the phone covers all that. So let's see. So it's starting to snow. A little bit more heavier flurries. Still very light though. Expected certainly more snow by this point. So I ran by AT&T to see about the cracked screen, and I guess it was just an authorized dealer, not a real AT&T headquarters, so they could do nothing for me. But well, that's not how they explained it to me. So we'll see how that has to work out. Then Allison had recommended the Rent-A-Center, and I've heard of it before. It's a good way to reestablish credit, build up your credit record, and given the laptop issue, maybe it's like $23 a week or something like that. So I don't know. I'm handicapped without a laptop. I can't get my work done, and blogging and everything else, and plus taxes coming up. I need to do taxes, so have to figure this one out. And found a HP that fits my needs, so going for it.